beautiful people. What up, though? Today, I just wanted to make some plant-based spaghetti using Beyond Meat Meatballs, but I had to clean the kitchen first, so wanted to bring you along. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Thank you for clicking on the video. I do hope you enjoy. Sit back, relax, grab you a glass of something, and hopefully it motivates you to cook, clean, do all the things that you need to do on this relaxing day. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on. Don't forget to turn that notification bell on so that you will know when I upload another video. Again, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's go ahead and cook. I have all my seasonings and I pre-cut some vegetables, bell peppers and onions, red onions. I'm just gonna cut a yellow onion up. I have some mushrooms and I have the Beyond Meat meatballs there. I'm also going to throw in some nutritional yeast. That adds like a cheesy flavor. But I'll show you all the seasonings I used. And yeah, we're just gonna get it started. I have some water boiling over there for my rice. And I'm just gonna add a little sea salt in there and a little oil. And then a little oil in my skillet from my onions. I'm just gonna cook all the vegetables up and season them. And yeah, we're gonna get it started. camera cut out right here, but I just set the sauteed vegetables aside and started cooking the meatballs. I only cooked them for about 6 or 7 minutes and then added the vegetables back in. Here I just wanted to add a little more vegetables. I had this broccoli and I needed to cook it before it went bad, so I just decided to throw it in my spaghetti. Why not? If you made it this far in the video, I thank you for watching. Again, if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on. Thank you for watching the video, and again, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day.